Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to present a very core research paper about the artificial intelligence, the role of artificial intelligence in the education. Through this research paper, we will learn that how artificial intelligence is very important for the education sector. So here we have the content of research paper, the list of components or list of topics. We will see that how these components has major role in the education system. This is a text for research paper. Actually, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is used to perform the human tasks such as thinking and learning through the computer system. And what is the role of AI technology in education? It allows flexibility and customization for the new possibilities. And we have a very big revolution for the schools, classrooms, and for the educators. We will also discuss about AI application through this research paper. In introduction, we should understand that what is education. Education is a process where teachers gives the instruction, student receives the instruction for any success in the life. In the traditional education system, it is very fixed term of time, place, and very inflexible. But the implementation of the AI technology education system is changing now. Also, the implementation of artificial intelligence, there are many benefits for students and the teachers. Artificial intelligence has many sectors. The major sector is also is education. Now we will look overview for the artificial intelligence. Actually, artificial intelligence is the most global issue for the 21st century. Artificial intelligence is developed in 1956 by John McCarthy. Actually, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science uh, which works like designing the intelligent computer system, like that computer system mimic with the human intelligence. For example, speech recognition, language translation in your daily life. Actually, the main purpose of artificial intelligence is mimic the cognitive function of human beings. Just for example, if we are talking with the artificial system, just like we are saying that translate this into this, like English to Urdu. So this is also a artificial intelligence system. Also, we can say that artificial intelligence is a independent electronic entity that is like a human expert today. Now we have artificial intelligence in our daily life, like computer gaming, facial recognition, passport control, virtual assistant, uh, driverless car, and robotics, something else. Through that artificial intelligence, we can analyze better data. The major disciplines in artificial intelligence, the term expert. What is expert? If the human is expert, means he has a good knowledge in his field. In the artificial intelligence, an expert system is a knowledge-based system, a computer programming. It is made with the knowledge and the reasoning of human expert. Expert system uses in the artificial technology that simulates the behavior and the judgment of human or any organization. Computer vision is also the part of artificial intelligence. It supports like a digital media, like images, pictures, videos, and we have like the example of image acquisition, image processing for the good results of our production. Natural language processor. Uh, it is for the communication, like a translation and the interpretation of languages. Like in different countries, we have different languages, so we need to translate. Means a system should translate our languages. So it is a major part of the artificial intelligence, just like speech recognition, text analysis, translation of many languages. Natural language processor also performing a major role in the linguistics field. The word robot. Robot is a computer-based programmable machine that has physical manipulators and the sensors. Sensors can monitor temperature, humidity, pressure, time, record, and make the sometimes make the critical decision in some cases. Now, from imaginary world, robots came to in the real world. Like we can see robots in the local hospitals, in the job sector, we can see the robots. So we have robots now everywhere in the real world. Fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic involves in the reasoning. It simulates the human reasoning. As just like the system mimics how a person would take the decision. And there is a simple example of fuzzy logic in the artificial intelligence. Just like a person is saying, is it called how fuzzy logics uh, calculated? It's like, is it is it so called? Is it measured code? It is low code. So this is a very simple example to understand the fuzzy logic in the artificial intelligence. The machine learning, the word means machine learn itself. A bunch of algorithm to make the predict, interpret the data, to learn without any instruction means machine learning itself um, without any instruction, just prediction of and interpretation of the data, the machine can learn on the daily basis. Deep learning is a subset or sub-branch of the machine learning. Deep learning is a machine learning technique that teaches computers to do what comes naturally to humans. It works like to simulate the behavior of human brain. We have a very simple example in our real world that we have now the driverless car. So this is also the example of deep learning. Data mining is used to analyze the very large data set. Like if company has a very large data set of its customer, so through data mining we can analyze the data and we can have very good results through applying the data mining. Applications of AI in the education. There are several artificial applications for the education. That application facilitate to student to learn much better. These application uses in every field like mathematics education, language education, computer science education, higher secondary education, in engineering education. There are a lot of companies that are using AI in the education. There are a list of companies here. These companies are putting the education with the artificial intelligence technique. Artificial intelligence driven education. In the classroom, AI cannot replace the human teacher, but it can play a major role in the classroom. A teacher with the artificial intelligence, he can deliver much better education, much learningful education to his student. Physical teacher always not available for a student, but through artificial intelligence, a student can get a knowledge or learning from the artificial intelligence. Personalized education. Traditional education is not flexible. Through artificial intelligence, it is possible to get skills or the education according to the student needs. So we can say that artificial intelligence has major role to personalize the education. Means candidate or student can reach anytime, every time to get a skill. A teacher holds also the administration task, such as he has to give the grades and daily attendance and putting daily assessment for his students. Through artificial intelligence, it is very convenient for the teacher. He can be automated through artificial intelligence for his administration task. Universal access to global classrooms. This concept says that we don't have a boundary. We can learn anywhere, anytime through artificial intelligence tools. It makes like we have a classroom globally. We can learn anytime, anytime and everywhere. Artificial intelligence tools are changing the landscape of education. Means we can make our classroom globally. Artificial intelligence make benefits for students, also for the teachers. So what are the benefits of the artificial intelligence tools? Education at any time, virtual mentors, we have better engagement, opportunity to find a good teacher through artificial intelligence tool. Here we have more benefits like teacher rates. A teacher administration task can be reduced, teaching the teacher, and the main is cost reduction. Through artificial intelligence, we can reduce the cost of learning. Through artificial intelligence, we have improved learning. There are also certain challenges in the artificial intelligence to implement in the education system. Limited capabilities. We have also limited capabilities to implement the artificial intelligence in the education system. Unanswered question. It is also a main issue that how the artificial intelligence will be implemented in the higher education. There is also the problem of trust. The parents and school administrator, it is very difficult to trust on the AI technology. In the conclusion, we can say that artificial intelligence produce the educational tools for improving the quality education to enhance the teaching and the learning methods. We can say AI is a modern teaching and the learning method. This is a picture, a diagram to understand the how artificial intelligence works in our daily life. This picture can make us understand that what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has two branches inside machine learning, then deep learning. We have already discussed artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning in this whole research.